Fish to the name I can barely say. Humuhumunukunuku's coming my way. In a glass so tall with a pineapple smile. Tiki dreams are calling out, staying a while. Mix it up with the rum, yeah, I'm feeling so fine. Little taste of a lime, it's a paradise sign. Sip it down fast, but the party's not done. Humuhumunuku's got me under the sun. Humuhumunukunukuapua'a. I drink so smooth like a tropical cha-cha. Let the music play, let the brass lines blow. With the humuhumu in hand, we're ready to go. Humuhumunukunukuapua'a. Tiki lights flashing and we're dancing on lava. Raise your glass high, feel the ocean sway. With the humuhumu, we're skanking away. Started off sweet with the splash of the juice. The learning bitters got me feeling loose. Throw in the rum, add a touch of the zest. One sip of this and I'm feeling my best. Mix it up with flair, let the conga line spin. I'm feeling that breeze, let the good times begin. From Hawaii to the bar, man, the drink's on fire. With the humuhumumu, we'll never retire. Humuhumunukunukuapua'a. I drink so smooth like a tropical cha-cha. Let the music play, let the brass lines blow. With the humuhumu in hand, we're ready to go. Humuhumunukunukuapua'a. Tiki lights flashing and we're dancing on lava. Raise your glass high, feel the ocean sway. With the humuhumu, we're skanking away. Trumpets are blaring, the night's so alive. The bass line's grooving and we're feeling the vibe. Shake it, don't break it, the strings got the flow. With the humuhumu, let's go, go, go. Humuhumunukuapua'a. I drink so smooth like a tropical cha-cha. Let the music play, let the brass lines flow. With the humuhumu in hand, we're ready to go. Humuhumunukuapua'a. Tiki lights flashing and we're dancing on lava. Raise your glass high, feel the ocean sway. With the humuhumu, we're skanking away. We're skanking the island nights. With the cocktail in hand, everything just right. So come on down, don't you be shy. With the humuhumu, we're touching the sky. Oh yeah, let's ride. Now we gotta give thanks to the captain, you see, for showing us the way to tropical glee. Humuhumu in hand with a laugh and a cheer. Captain Arresto's the reason we're all here. Thursday's rocking, what a mighty scene. With the captain's touch, it's pure Tiki dream. So here's to the drinks and the last we crave. Thanks Captain Arresto for the cocktail you gave.